for you since I've been gone.
Hi, I'm Anis from Sounds Dynamic, and this is a 2010 Toyota Quantum. So Zuhair, the owner of this particular Quantum, came to us, and he is a owner of a fleet of Quantums, and he wanted to do something different. So we took the most hated vehicle on South African roads and tried to make it something different. So we obviously, firstly we did was to put it on air. We cut the entire chassis because we needed to go as low as possible. We fitted 4 Goodyear airbags into it. We've done 4 compressors because he wanted it to dance, so this vehicle can go from side to side, back, front. It can dance and do tricks. It's the only vehicle in South Africa that can do that. We've taken the entire suspension out, threw it away, put in whole new suspension, refabricated everything in conjunction with a guy called Marley's Garage. We've done the 2 compressors, we've done 2 tanks, we've done a full digital air system on it. Then we needed the interior to look a little bit different. Took the seats out, we reupholstered them in genuine Napa leather, we reconstructed the dash, we redid the floor. We had a 55-inch TV, which actually comes down from the roof, had that fitted. The interior needed to look limo style, but also classy at the same time. So what we've done was we stripped the entire interior out, put in some fabricated seats, which we made out of fiberglass and wood, got them to fit in there, and well, the result speaks for itself. Well, the owner, being crazy at that he is, invited me to come over, all expenses paid, to Japan, and that's where we source most of the parts, because in South Africa there is nothing available for this vehicle. So everything that you see on this vehicle is all been sourced and imported from Japan. This vehicle, as you know, Toyota Quantums only come out in white, so this guy wanted something different. We first opted on Rosso Red, but that was a bit too plain for him. He wanted something to be more vibrant, stands out, shines in the sun. We took it to a company called Alpha Bodyworks, and together with the owner, they came up with this color. It's called Lamborghini Yellow. With a little bit of a twist, it's got a little bit more sparkle, so it illuminates in the sunlight, and it just came out beautiful. My favorite part of this vehicle is the fact that it can dance. There's no other car in Cape Town that can do that. Well, in South Africa at least, I hope it's something different. No one has ever seen it. It's very entertaining, very amusing, and it's the wow factor of this vehicle. People are blown away. I mean, they cannot comprehend this is a Toyota Quantum, you know. This is your regular taxis that people travel to and from work, and to see something in this condition, they can't comprehend it. They're like just blown away.
For you since I've been